Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and your game keeps crashing, you keep getting this error, Fortnite has crashed, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying crash on Fortnite easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu and you're going to write here device manager, and here you're going to look for neural processors. So here it is, and then what you're going to do is you're going to open this neural processors up, and once you open it up you'll have this Intel R AI boost. So you're just going to right click on it and then click disable device. So just disable that Intel boost device, and once you've done disabling it, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you can go ahead and play Fortnite, and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get those Fortnite has crashed problems anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.